got that lotion?
Mm-hmm.
Gosh, TV, what's happening? Let's see what y'all talking about, man. Yes, so we are smoking a Ted's Bud special, and we are smoking Ball Family Farms.
The best.
They're the best. See, you smoking on that Miss Parker, Ball Family?
Oh, what?
Word, man, tap in, man. You already know. Somebody said, I'm so sick of Skittles, I don't mess with no plug that, hustle that. Alright, we about to get this shit started. Welcome back, man. We have another episode of Gas TV. Have a light.
I do.
Yes, perfect.
How about that? We got a favorite, and we have something new. The favorite would be Ball Family Farms. We got Laura Charles, which is definitely one of my favorite strains of all times. Probably in the top 10. And we got this ROBOTRIP, Pack God. So we're gonna see. What's that?
I like to say that this weed found us all the way from the west coast of America.
On the humble.
And fell into our laps extremely humbly. So we're thankful. This Pax God is they're in cahoots with like Ted's BUDZ. So it also says Ted's BUDZ on the back if you look at it. Pack date last week. You know what I'm saying? And all that other good shit. And yeah, like we said, the Laura Charles here. I'm on some kid in the candy store shit right now. I'm just trying to be cool, as you can see.
I'm just anxious to see if it still tastes like it's supposed to taste. So
Same here.
But as long as it does, I'm sure it's gonna be great. I never had the ROBOTRIP before, so you haven't made any noise yet. Is that bad news or good news?
I don't think it's good news, but it's not bad news either. I kind of expected a little more from it, but
I mean, they did put the fucking bells and whistles in the bag.
yeah, it's giving me the berry. It's you'll be able to taste the berries. It's smooth though.
Yo, remind me to tell you this idea about this idea when the cameras go off.
Thought it might have been hitting a little better though.
It was it looked interesting under the camera.
Definitely did. This ROBOTRIP looked like it had a whole extra layer of
I was about to
drugs
say a
on it.
layer.
This was double coated.
I like it
whatever
though.
they put on it.
I like it.
That's not bad at all, man. But California, this is what y'all got in the dispensaries. I might be doing just as bad as New York. Resin.
I'm not mad at it.
White ash.
It's all right.
But you know what? We also haven't had a good berry weed come around in a little while. Neither.
I'm not mad at this. I like it.
You know what I also think what might be occurring? These backwoods are a little different.
Alright, so that's affecting the taste.
Mhm.
So you're saying that the say we should stick to sweet aromatic?
No, I'm just saying take that into consideration.
Oh,
when
I got you.
when we, grading the herbs.
I mean, sweet aromatic is my favorite and go-to rolled up anyway, but I like switching up every once in a while. But I still stay in the realm of vanillas, the white, cognac. That's about it.
Yeah, them whites, man. Them whites is good. They rolling up strawberry sour, grape 8. VA, tap in, man. What's up, man? How y'all doing?
Yeah.
They tapped in from St. Martin, man. Shit, I wish there was a beach to go smoke a blunt on. Ain't nobody going to Coney Island to smoke no goddamn weed.
I don't know. I kind of like the ROBOTRIP.
What would you pay for this?
I don't know. You know what it is?
Or what price?
That's what it is.
What price would make your face say, man, fuck this shit?
I'm like right there at it because I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah,
It's like it's almost I put it to you like this. If it's sprayed, it's perfectly sprayed. Cause it tastes like I don't know. It don't taste like it's like the gas don't taste natural when I hit it. They don't the gas don't taste the flavor, I guess, or something. There's something different about it. Like, you know what I mean?
yes. Now, here's my thing. If they went to really try to make this shit taste like a cough medication and with a tinge of berry in it, they might have got away with what they tried to accomplish.
Yeah.
Now, is that good? Nah.
It's not bad.
It ain't bad.
It ain't bad. I'm just trying to put my finger on it, that's all, because it's like something. It's making me cough, but the cough is like forced cough or some shit. I can't explain the shit.
Now, that is the shit.
That's what makes me think it's sprayed. Yeah, that's what makes me
yeah.
think it's sprayed. It says resin plus drip.
And white ash.
So maybe it's resin drip.
Listen, the more I get in touch with this shit, the more. What you about?
No, that.
As far as the sprays and the terps and all that shit goes, I've learned that they have whole machines, expensive machines. You put 5 to 10 plates in the machine. You insert whatever shit you need into the machine, and you let the machine do its thing. Perfectly turped out plates.
Back to the price. I guess I wouldn't spend over 50 for it. I gotta smoke it again.
I don't think I would go for this weed if I was, after I smoked it, if I went all the way to California and seen this shit on the shelf, I'd probably kindly pass. It's like I had the experience, it was cool. I don't think I want the experience again.
I get it for 40. If I'm going to spot and they got it for 40, I'm grabbing it.
Yeah.
That's when you say, yo, what's the number that
If I
make
could
you blush?
use a coupon.
Yeah, if I can get this bitch for 40 all day, then
We on
smoking
that.
this shit all day for 40. But I don't know.
It kind of tastes sativa-ish, right?
Mm. Let me see one more time.
I don't know.
I kind of wish we did have a sweet aromatic for this.
Though I think the weeds we had smoked. What did we? Well, how do we? Why do I always forget what we smoked in the last video?
I always forget too. But we had something good. No, we had the
Oh, we had the gas face.
yeah.
And we had something else.
The Wanda bread again.
Well, this is better than Wonder Bread. I prefer this shit over the Wonder Bread. The Wonder Bread ain't even have no berry in it. That shit was just that shit tastes like unleavened bread.
Like that Laura, man.
Yeah, man.
I don't know about this though. I can't put my finger on it. And the more I don't know. As it's getting down to the nitty gritty, I don't know. Turned off by it. I'm not like, you know, some blunts as it burns, it's like, oh shit, this shit really smoking. Now, it's like it's smoking less. It's like we done burnt the spray off. And now it's just smoking the
It
regular
did
weed.
not get better. That blunt definitely did not get better.
It didn't age well. I don't know. I don't know what to say about this Robo. I'm fucked up. I'm perplexed right now. I don't know. It's pissing me off actually. Trying to figure out. I don't even know what to grade it.
Fuck it, you might as well just put that down.
I ain't got nothing else to do. I'm trying to think, is it better than the Wanda? I mean, I might give it a point, because what I gave the Wanda, a 7.5?
Then you put the one.
I might want to get this like a 7.6. A 7, I don't even want to put this in the 8s. It's like a 7.6.
Well,
Before you go in, that's another reason. It's like, I'm just smoking this shit just to smoke it at this point. It's not even really, they don't have, the flavor's gone. It's not really doing anything for me, but I'm just bored at this point. How's Laura doing?
this is gonna be better than that. But does it take me back to them days when we was first smoking this shit? I don't know.
Could we just be burnt out?
When I smoked this shit, I think if I burnt out. But now that shit is starting to hit me. I don't know. I might have spoke too soon. That shit. I'm about to start talking my shit. Cause listen, here at Gas TV, they often be like, "What's your favorite? What's this? What's that?" And we throw the same thing out there all the time. We be like, "Ball family." Fucking, and everything else under that. Now, mind you, I was looking at this Laura like, damn man, that shit used to look a little better.
This one did look a little banged up, but I think she turning up.
It's there.
I think she turning up because as soon as I hit it, I taste the difference. But you right. Nah, you know, it's Laura. I remember it hitting a little stronger though.
This guy still got it, man.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's still good quality.
On the breakup, it was a little, you know how them dispensary weeds be hard. I don't remember the Laura being hard like that. No homo. No diddy.
It didn't look like I said, it didn't look like they shit usually look, but
Somebody said, neither of us seem like we're enjoying it. Listen, I'm gonna tell you, the ROBOTRIP was a letdown. This makes me feel a little better. Not a little better, a whole lot better.
Nah, that ROBOTRIP. Pack guards have failed us on the ROBOTRip.
There's a few Ted's Buds that are really good. There's a Ted's Bud called Tuna Belly. I like that. That was one of my favorites. But still, the way the Lord was blowing, let's say we had something that was like blowing, and may have threw the Laura off a little bit. No, I'm enjoying this. This shit is this gas to this one.
And there's some quality to it.
Definitely. I was smoking that blunt, and some blunts you don't feel safe hitting it all the way in like that. I'll hit this Laura all the way in. Could barely keep talking and smoking this. Let me do one thing at a time.
Yo, man, you need to go to the Ball Family Farm.
Yo, come to New York, man. Why we don't have this in the city? This is what we need in New York.
Well, let us be our distribution. Let us be your New York distributors.
Yes, send it. Send it to Gas TV.
Because the only time we get Ball Family is when we got somebody in Cali. For the most part.
Nowadays, now this shit is all fucked up with this legal New York shit. When shit was illegal, man, we was getting Laura, Nino Brown, Show Nuff, Miss Parker. We was getting all them shits.
You know what though? Maybe it's good. Maybe it's for the best though. Maybe we would be burnt down on Ball Family if we could get it regularly. Nah. Because we had it's too many flavors.
It's the quality.
Yeah, it's the flavors, and we would be switching up. Like how we were switching up on Backpack. Niggas was throwing out heat at one point.
Them gushers. My goodness. Them gushers had me going from here to the Bronx. Just know that shit is far. Just for some damn gushers.
They chat about.
One of the bros say he remember those Backpack days with the black cherry gelatos.
Yeah.
Yeah. The Gushers is overrated now. That shit wasn't overrated 4 years ago, 5 years ago. That was the shit to smoke. But even the people, they saying they tired of the Skittles, they tired of the runts.
So I'm about to get this shit up, man.
They're tired of all that. I just want the return of the real gassy flavors. You know, give me some old shit. Like I seen some OG that looked awesome. Shit, I smoked some OG that was good from the Chosen Remedy company.
Listen, man, we gotta tap back in with Brooklyn Flower Power, man.
It might be over.
It's over.
I seen them.
Back then, boy had it. I mean, boy even had the Mac that was fire. Like, I still ain't had no Mac better than that shit. Who the fuck growing that Mac?
Yeah, who's making
who the fuck was growing that shit? That was fucking Mac
the
100.
Miracle Alien Cookies? Does anybody know? Does anybody know?
I'm telling you, boy, that boy Dosey Doe back then would probably blow all this shit out. That Dosey back then, that shit was smoking.
I remember all, and I like the flavored weed. So when he would have like weed like named Honey Bananas, and I used to love that shit.
Those were the days. No. I had to turn this shit to trash TV.
Oh man, not trash TV. Now I will go to California every weekend before we we call this shit trash TV. Reporting live from JFK. About to make another trip.
I mean, I won't put a number on the Laura. It's a go.
I was gonna say,
anytime you see a Bull Family Farm pack, just try it. It's a go. The ROBOTRip, I give it a 7.6.
I don't think I could have put it any better myself. There's stuff we've smoked that's been stronger, made us cough. But overall, quality-wise, I don't think you're gonna get nothing better than this Ball Family.
I mean, yeah. That was perfectly said because, yeah, even, you know, that's not like the best weed we smoke, but I'm getting high. Shit is blowing. Pause. It's beating the competition. It usually does. So, we could always trust Ball Family Farm, man. Y'all niggas need to send us a t-shirt or something. We be giving y'all niggas too much shout-outs.
Over the years, they could go back and see. But, is that it?
I think so, man.
2 up, 2 down. That's the VA boys. I think that's what we gotta say.
Yeah.
Mechanic Farms, I seen that around. I'm looking for that. If I ever come across the Mechanic Farm, I'm definitely gonna grab it. Like and subscribe, y'all. Make sure y'all like.
And shout out to the subscriber from Mass that be sending shit in. The shit that they sending is they be sending us some gas. I know you say you don't want no shout out or whatever, but in the future we gonna definitely shout you out because you be sending some gas.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's it, man.
Tap in next time when we got some more gas for you.